Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Cox.
And I'm Dr. Jared Norman, and we're with Nevada Spine and Disc. We'd like to give you a chiropractic tip. One of the biggest causes of pain in the body, be it in the neck, the shoulder, wrist, knee, foot, wherever it is inflammation. And one of the best ways to treat that inflammation is with cold laser treatment. Now, the cold laser that we have here is called the Light Cure. This is a class 4 laser, which outputs over 20 times the amount of energy and healing potential than the next best laser below it. Now, the way this works is the laser energizes the cells, it pumps the cells full of photons, it increases the circulation, and it just allows these cells, the underlying cells, to heal. It brings more circulation so that the inflammation can be dispersed, and it just really allows the body to heal quicker because it's working on a cellular level. Now, this treatment is quick. It only takes a few minutes to treat an affected area, and the results can last for a long time. These class 4 lasers are actually utilized with many professional athletic teams. They have them in their locker rooms, and they use them on all their athletes if they suffer any type of injury during the games. So if you think you're suffering from inflammation, find a chiropractor that utilizes a class 4 laser to get you out of pain. A question I get asked all the time is, what is a good exercise for my low back? Now, after you've suffered a low back injury, I don't recommend doing exercises where you actually bend your back very much. Now, it's important to try to find exercises where your back is able to be kept almost straight. And the best exercise that I've found for that is called the plank exercise. Now, this isn't solely for the low back, it's also for the abdominals and the whole entire core muscle area, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do this exercise. You're going to come down, you're going to be on your elbows and your toes. So you're going to get your elbows in line with your shoulders. Start on your knees like this to make it easy to come up. And then you're just going to lift up your hips and hold it on your toes. Now, when you're in this position, you want to keep your head nice and straight, looking right down towards your hands. Don't look up and don't look down, because that'll cause a lot of stress on your neck. Okay? Another part of the exercise is you don't want to lift up your butt like this, and you don't want to dip like this, because that'll hurt your low back. So once again, you start up on your knees like this, and you come up on your toes, keep your body straight and your head straight ahead. All right? And that's how you do the plank exercise and strengthen your core muscles to really just stabilize your low back and keep you from having this injury come back again in the future. With this exercise, you want to be able to hold it as long as you can. Work up to where you're able to hold it for at least a minute, and that's when you know that your core muscles are much stronger.
If you're experiencing symptoms of neck pain with radiating pain down into the arms or hands, numbness and tingling as well, if you're having those types of symptoms in your lower back where you are experiencing pain into the buttock area, leg, foot, these symptoms relate to a condition that has to do with the herniation or possibly bulging discs. I've had patients ask me, are there any alternatives to surgery for having this problem resolved? And the answer to that is yes, there are. The table that I'm sitting on is a spine med table, which is a non-surgical spinal decompression, which takes the disc, the herniated disc or bulging disc, and retracts that material, taking it off of the nerve and back into the disc. If you're interested in a resolution for your problem with disc herniations, disc bulges that are causing this type of pain, numbness, and tingling, I would recommend that you find someone who has the spine med table, as it is the most advanced technology that's out there today. If you've liked what you've heard and you'd like to know more, visit us at stopthebackpainnow.com.